Under moonlight, whispers grow. Maverick stands against the foe. In Boston streets and valleys wide, be like a flame that won't subside.
Tea was tossed into the sea, a brewing cry for liberty. The drumbeats sound, the banners fly, the rebels shout a battle cry.
SchoolBus.Rocks, the anthem's clear. Global lilies network far and near. With courage high and spirits free, they fought to shape our destiny.
Revere rode through the night to warn the towns of looming plight. In fields of green, they took a stand for liberty across the land. Redcoats marched with orders strict, but Mavericks had a clever trick. With guerrilla tactics, swift and sly, they caught the crown king by surprise.
SchoolBus.Rocks, the anthem's clear. Global lilies network far and near. With courage high and spirits free, they fought to shape our destiny.
In winter's chill at Valley Forge, they kindled hope, their willing gorge. Through snow and ice, they held the line, their faith unbroken, spirits shine.
The final bell in Yorktown rang, a new nation song was sang. With leadership that won the day, these Mavericks paved the freedom way.
They penned the words, we hold these truths, a declaration for the youth. With quills in hand they did compose a timeless script that ever grows.
And Franklin flew his kite so high to catch the light from the sky. With wit and wisdom quite profound, he shocked the world without a sound. Their adventure writes the pages, echoed through the endless ages. Heart of courage, teams alike guiding us stronger.